Okay, so this one's a rotifer. I am not entirely sure how to describe what a rotifer is, or even if it's going to be visible. Oh. A little bit harder to see. So I'm going to look it up. Okay, so rotifers make up a phylum of microscopic and near microscopic pseudo-solemate animals. They were first described by Reverend John Harris in 1696. And other forms are described by Antoine van Leeuwenhoek in 1703. Okay. But what are they? Like they're small, they're microscopic animals, but what do they do? Oh, they're... Huh. Some act like plankton, other like inchworms. Where are they found? So freshwater zooplankton. Okay. So they help with decomposing matter in soil, like organic matter. Okay. Everything seems really colorful, so I'm guessing they added some kind of dye or something. Yep. It's really hard to see them. Because, again, the microscope isn't that great. But see those purple splotches at the bottom? Like, you see how it's split into two individual ones that are almost shaped like, I don't know, a spade / shovel? Yeah, those are two individual ones. They have a lot of various different shapes, though. Like, there's some that are circular, some that are exactly that shape. Some of them are more like a tube, some, yeah. It's interesting. Let's take a look. I'm not sure if it's only one type or if there are multiple, but, yeah. Seems to be all the same type. They even have jaws, jeez. Yeah, that shows how much of an improvement there can be with the microscope, because, yeah. These things have, like, looking at them under an electron microscope really shows some interesting things. You won't get color, but that doesn't matter. You can see the detail, like, yeah, they have jaws. Sorry, didn't mean to do that. But, yeah. Interesting. So these do seem to be more akin to normal animals than they do seem to be with, that's the edge of the thing, than with, like, smaller, like, not plankton, wrong word, bacteria, because looking at them otherwise, it does show some interesting variations. Like, really looking at the shape is pretty darn interesting. Yeah. So yes, definitely a lot of improvement needs to be made with the microscope, but hey, I'm at least able to see them. Because to the naked eye, this looks like a blank slide. Oh, I did have trouble finding them with the microscope. Yeah, this is invisible to the naked eye, at least in this situation. Huh. So some of them do seem to have a more clearly defined shape, others don't. Like the purple ones seem to be more shaped like a, I don't know, shovel, but the red ones seem more like splotches. It's interesting. But yeah, that was a whole bunch of, I don't know the plural of rotifer, so I don't know whether it's rotifers or rotifer, but yeah, whatever the plural of rotifer is, it's a bunch of those.